That annoying metallic tapping sound coming from under your hood is more than just a nuisance because it could be a sign that your engine is literally trying to tear itself apart from the inside out. When your car throws a P2336 code, it means the powertrain control module has detected that cylinder number 1 is knocking way beyond its safe threshold, which is a serious red flag for any driver. Your car uses a sophisticated knock sensor filled with piezoelectric crystals that turn engine vibrations and noise into electrical signals, and when things get too loud the computer starts pulling back on performance to save the engine from catastrophic failure. You might notice your car feels sluggish when you are trying to pass someone on the highway, or your gas mileage suddenly drops off a cliff even if you do not hear the actual knocking sound with your own ears. Common causes for this code range from using low-quality gasoline with the wrong octane rating for your engine to serious internal engine problems, or even a simple wiring failure that is confusing the computer. To start troubleshooting, you should make sure your oil level is perfect and that you are using the correct fuel recommended in your owner's manual, because actual spark knock has to be ruled out before you blame the sensor. Use a diagnostic scanner to clear the code and see if it comes back after a short drive around the block, and pay close attention to the freeze frame data to see exactly what was happening when the code first appeared. You should also search for any technical service bulletins that might apply to your specific year and model, as there could be a simple software update that fixes the problem. You can use a digital volt-ohm meter to check the continuity of the knock sensor wires, but be extremely careful not to burn yourself on a hot engine block while you are reaching down there to find the connector. If the sensor itself is cracked, or if the wiring looks melted or damaged, you will need a replacement right away to protect your engine. If you still hear a heavy mechanical thudding, or if the code persists after changing the sensor, it is time to visit a local shop, because you might be looking at a timing issue or internal component failure that requires professional tools to fix before the engine fails completely. Should I look up the recommended fuel octane rating or any technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle?